Hey, good morning. This is Mayor Valensky with Driving Markets. Okay, so what started off last week as a rout, it looked like the market was going to fall, very quickly turned around on Wednesday afternoon, Thursday, and Friday, and the market shot up to all-time highs based on positive results from initial companies and banks reporting, and therefore the market was happy with the above than expected results and earnings per share, which pushed the markets higher. In addition to that, there's a general feel that people want the markets to go higher, people want to invest, people want to trade, and they've discarded all of the fear factors. Okay, so let's go through a few of those. A couple of things you need to be aware of. The supply chain from China is seriously disrupted. It can be identified by the cost of a container. Cost of a container pre-pandemic was about $2,000. Now the cost of a container for delivery around the world is about $20,000. Not only is the cost of a container up, you've actually got the delivery times of between 6 and 8 months. So when you make an order online, or you make an order, or a company makes an order for any types of goods, the company has to wait between 6 and 8 months for delivery of that order, and the retail consumer, when he is actually ordering goods, he has to wait also 6 to 8 months for delivery of those goods, simply because there's a disruption of the supply lines. One of those reasons is that China is trying to introduce and impose the green rules to reduce green gases, and therefore as a result of that it's closing down several factories. Considering the factories employ thousands and sometimes tens of thousands of individuals, then you've got a major impact on the supply chain. The other area that is bubbling along but no one seems to be paying attention to is the China-Taiwan issue. So China sent over around about 54 fighter planes last week to fly over Taiwan as a threat. China still considers Taiwan to be part of its territory. Taiwan is a really, really small entity, but yet they're pretty ferocious fighters and they're not going to give in very easily. There could be a trouble in terms of war bubbling between China and Taiwan, and both countries have been put on alert. At the moment, that's been disregarded by everyone politically and financial markets, but it's something that is there and you need to be aware of it. As regards oil, I think oil is probably, in my opinion, is probably going to go above $100 a barrel. Someone who wants to invest on a quick profit over the next few months probably should be looking at buying oil. You've still got gold, which was came off a little bit, but it's also looking very, very strong, maybe as a safe haven. And finally, as regards overall equity markets, you're probably going to have a run up even higher up to Christmas, which is what normally happens. You've got it's not so much the Santa Claus effect that comes after in January, but you've probably got a good feel factor and there's a lot of pent up demand. So you're probably going to get equity markets going higher over the next 6 to 8 weeks. Remember, only trade with regulated firms. I keep mentioning this because of people that have been scammed. If you need to get hold of me, you can contact me on WhatsApp or LinkedIn. And have a good day and good luck.